What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a name computer to your Gorilla Tag fan game. So first you want to go to my Discord and my bio, go to tutorials and then open how to make a name computer, and then you want to download this Unity package. Then you want to go back into Unity. You can either drag the file in or you can right click, press import package, custom package, and just double click the package. Now that you double click the package, you'll see this. Just press all and then import. Forgot to mention that if you want a name computer, you're gonna have to follow my how to add photon VR tutorial. But anyways, let's just get back into the video. You just want to create a base for the computer. So just press the plus button in the hierarchy, press 3D object and cube. And then inside of your assets right here, you should see computer. You just want to drag that on to your base right here. For me, I'm just going to size it up a little bit so then it's easier to type. Now as you see, you can't really see the text because the white text is on the white button, and white byte is going towards both of those. So what you want to do is just go into assets, materials, and making your black material. Click create and then press material. I'm just going to name this black 2. So I'm just going to press color, make this completely black, and then I'm just going to turn off both of these and turn on the smoothness to 0. Now that you've made your black, you just want to open computer on the hierarchy, open keyboard, and then just shift click all buttons including backspace. Then you just want to select, or you just want to drag the black on the side, and then boom. Now what you want to do is just control click left hand controller and right hand controller, and then select tag, add a tag, and then name it hand tag, exactly how it's spelled, and then just press save. Shift click them both again, press tag, hand tag. Now you want to go to the right hand controller, select layer, add layer, name it right hand, exactly how it's spelled, and then you just want to select right hand controller again, default, and then right hand on layer. Now you want to select left hand controller, you want to press layer, add layer, and guess what? Name it left hand, exactly how it's spelled. Now select left hand controller again, press layer, left hand. Now you want to shift click both of the controllers again, press add component, sphere collider, and then open it. And instead of 0.5, just put it at 0.05. And boom, now you should be done with everything. Now let's play test. Now as you see, once we move our character to the computer, just gonna rotate it and just move our hands. You have your name as you. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.